What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Quick FSD video for you all today. We'll be going to Dulles International Airport, and I want to see if FSD can handle the entire drive. So we're going to be looking out for a couple things today. As you can see, we're starting on FSD, and we're going to be hopping on a highway here. And I want to see how FSD handles merging onto this highway. This is 28 South, headed towards Dulles Airport. Alright, this is a very sharp exit, suggested speed of 20 miles per hour. So, without touching the pedals, you can see FSD did slow down to 25. Ooh, a little tough on the input there. It actually kicked me off. Thought that I wanted to take over, but slowed down to about 28, which is cool. It's able to maintain the speed without, you know, feeling too aggressive on the turn. So let's see how we do with changing the speed as soon as we merge. So, okay, so you notice how it went straight to 55, but then the max speed did not change. Okay, now it did. So it took a minute for that to catch up, but now looks like the car is starting to speed up. Alright, now it's starting to speed up. I'm not sure why that took a few moments there. That's something, you know, I would like to kind of point out that I would like to see it do better, because that's unsafe when getting onto the highway. If I'm going 40 miles an hour, I needed to make sure it picks up speed. So, of course, getting on the highway, we're going to switch over from FSD to navigate on autopilot. So this is going to be the most polished version of software available to all all Tesla owners. Why I say that is because it's not in beta program and it works really well. So when it comes to doing tasks that involve driving on a highway, it pretty much nails all that. So that's why I feel the most confident behind the wheel on navigate on autopilot. Alright, so really sharp exit again. We're looking at 25 miles per hour. FSD did a nice job slowing down. It slowed down to 42, but it took it really smooth. Now it's saying speed limit 40, so alright. Autopilot does a pretty good job of utilizing the high beams when no one's in front of you or in your lane of vision.
Now take the ramp on the left for departures.
Oktoberfest parking. Oh, what? Alright, so we're almost here at our destination now. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hope you're enjoying the FSD content. Trying to upload as much 4K FSD content as possible. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. And definitely smash that subscribe button if you're looking forward to more content. Really appreciate all the views, guys. Thanks again for watching. Alright, so Dulles Airport, here we go. So we want to go over to arrivals. I actually did not indicate that to the car. I just said to take it to the airport. So hopefully we'll see how long we can run FSD here.
Now keep straight to stay on Saarinen Circle.
I had some family out on business travel, so usually I'm doing my videos in the daytime so you all can see
keep left to take Saarinen
as much as
Circle
possible,
toward
but today the flight was landing pretty late, so I think it got delayed with some of the rain that we had. So yeah, normally I'm gonna be bringing you daytime videos,
keep
but
left to take Saarinen Circle.
since I was heading to the airport, I wanted to make sure to capture that, since I can imagine this route be taken by many more people. So still on FSD, doing a good job. It lowered the speed down to 15 since this is a very busy area. Let's see if I can get over.
In 500 feet, your destination.
Doing a nice job of. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and disengage FSD. I gotta cut through and try to find my passenger. Alright, thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.